everybody, Miss Empress J back again with another video. And today's video I'm bringing you 4 lock styles that you can do on the go, on the run, whenever. They're cute, simple and easy lock styles that you can do whenever your hair is maybe freshly retwisted or interlocked, or maybe if it's stale, maybe it hasn't been retwisted or interlocked in like a month. So these are just simple styles that I'm going to be showing you. If you would like to see these styles, then keep watching.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Now that my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn me to understand nothing. So a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, there. Focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place. Time and place. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location.
Thank you so much for watching. That is it for the video. I do have some videos coming out for the week before Christmas, or the week leading up to Christmas. I will be giving you one video a week up until Christmas. So this month I'll be posting way more videos. So you already know, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. Share and everything. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.